Hello, agus fáilte rás Thig Na Seansálaithe mas máile chance láú blach iad Na Seansálaithe. Tá muidir rás sa blianúir? Woohoo! Tá se already a gáil in the fhraiseach. Bhí grand. Arolaid testa go bhéh muidirine libh a rís a haíis ó seo má gotí ggóil id nó breisiúdí haing or something. Costa nálag, I don't know. Well, figure all much maha mar a jar. Is mis Hugh me le cheada mar is gré agus tá seo le moid chuide muid cóleaí muid Crease Jazz má thuid Christmas Babes cháilma mar na seas ó nám seo néir Tá seir dúsfuir le aine bhir aine Jimmer tetu.
Tá mé go maiid Tá mé Janíart a bheith dearfach sa blian uair seo.
Bí dearfa testáil díolta, that's the sin a vibe.
Sin our slogan den léon seo.
Yeah, be positive, test negative. Although bearing sin a flé and she gin tumblebug solar chain which daig sin ben with ram cheese James ó flower the James Jimmer that too.
Come on, staying negative, testing positive.
Oh no. Oh no.
Right. No. Blian nu,
dingy nu. Yeah, Fimch grand. The colour nu. I had new calendars. Well, I will failure like special be yoga like a wine shift like the tasking the Dangle Donald failure and like the Lego failure and wine shift each in it.
Yeah, my dad even is oige. Wat my fag kan Liverpool geloven, but no, new man kan be on the full. Kan my kan all actually me all. Unfortunately, be able to go on ball at East. What a bummer. So, got my calendar out at East. Yeah, thankfully, you won't count Dangle down.
Better be seal need that for logging you.
Yeah, it can't do your shave, yeah, my version.
Swimsuit edition.
A wine shift sin can on barroste. Sin can be crofty ogun soalia.
I'm telling you, Athbhliain, a Donald's Field, Crawley, Shinna kind of yoginge in Dunanal. It was our shopper actual Kershid Kenny Huggin, and it was always O'Donnell's. Chila Kern La Fida, Busfida, shout out to Busfida. But Shin the Fadery wine yogum. So we can Ogun so fast can Halo, because I was a big nerd back in the day.
Back in the day?
Yeah, back in the day.
Tema Girardnier Halo Emmerich in college also.
I'll be legendary.
You got me. I can't if we a genuine and with Karen a handle la high cup of shafting. Could you ever be were good knowledge, James Jimmer the knowledge
positive. Yeah, so Rama kopje in the build up gonna like Marians do go now and then then for my team on Mart's Riven knowledge and then remansion tests the Mart's as the Cading as we should positive come a PCR the Cading then how to get PCR back negative of mentions false positive as vi gluch a dochter is or these raw look what's the crack agus turns out from a false negative so the PCR so how law knowledge for PCR test so that was nice and then honey back positive so lovely.
Woo.
Yeah yay
Bhí an rud céarna faoi mórán nálag ar lein nálag faoi dark mar fríd stach man muid branta sí agus déhíon ach antigen jarfa so bhí arms genú féin éanarú an sin gotí Jaloon agus an sin chuim marketing PCR, but an le go chuim máfaing in PCR hashin the symptoms of chart mar chila snumlan, so it was like okay no it's fair like éanarú le cheala mar sin de or yeah like punch be much of a shamri different ner attack COVID during like so yeah we just like shite tama like glán and stuff from ring my Anton agus we shot Julta so COVID free baby agus absolutely puzzle and we're new worth to say and you were
Ní bhfuil me se COVID go fáil go list gom faoi cabbí. Well fuair me se dúirlumm
matter of time.
Do we all get on the
dúirlumm sa
Omicron
booster
buzz?
díorchar na nolog.
Booster?
Yeah, dúirlumm booster al díorchar na nolog sa sílam gur chudí sin lom beidir gur
Booster a law hate test my positive.
Oh no.
Yeah, sin just more luck in a nutshell though. In fairness though, we na line didn't sus agus we ma actually on go amach New Year's Eve, so that was a bit of a plus.
Yeah. Fi arm sa fan art gji Jilun so we should gen craiúladh meaner. Yeah, so climb shama. Not like Roma on the letter B or land the other anyway. Seeing as girl I had go I got off the logo in those, but yeah, no vi arm fan the Jack Jean and Loon. He's grand. He's actually all right. Like he's just via dear cost like every man he saw I get I was much to fan the Mahamra gimmer Xbox number fod. So chudgy shidlum.
dream.
The dream.
Agus we to my nerd back in the day compared to Nish. As you think give his Xbox at New Year's Day.
Okay, yeah, fair enough, right? Yeah. Agus lenar Naja Jarmut vi mention lenar agus le Stefan agus and Athbhliain agus probably be much anyway or not man fast even though go mama as féin you got be anu show so agus COVID are much cardier fod so it's not like we're just gonna be team we a hand fun jog like hello.
That's my New Year's Eve though Mel ring a pub and countdown like 8.
Oh nearly
she
ring him with a countdown like 8 yeah Darcy yeah
that should go brona.
So was class I miss cuirt ni cuiim klumsen do like so mis logic go my countdown on anyway.
Like a countdown not even few Athbhliain it's the countdown gur on the wall that's the
yeah agus go my some new so it was basically my New Year's.
Níor caiitú amar bí mú dul ma near this COVID vert go be.
No love no he that love him almost like because how ma choliche like how ma Christmas jumper night how ma a lost Stefan how ma like so, you know can't be as bad.
Yeah, exactly. It's only a matter of time.
Yeah.
Ahan ile station though or telefish chail should the mar and countdown though. I don't know Rush Vigurker or telefish. What is a Gurker or TG Karen?
No, vi me le leor Westbrit her BBC or shoul.
No.
Me ag biogtí le chuigur eile agus chuirsín na fireworks a siúil ar BBC. Ach ní ro sían ar siú lech ní ro si den am. Yeah, ní ro mar rohas ab ní hí sort hí chuigur chuine.
Milchna, absolutely milchna. But hí se máil ar RTE mar geall de can't feel like came in chart the word Latin chart we should just like a can't and be like oh yeah blah 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 because you know for my maestro and shot I shouldn't be like in countdown to cornell we should like Jay agus and shin having me she's there that we should like a gimmer heal much courage again nerd agus having my she's lying countdown or TG car agus having my she's start remember chlog agus we shall man eat agus so we should already fee da agus we die agus what do you call her Granny Jenny like Jay Lee agus like ní mis lom ach bhí an Claire rave half of it so bhí sacu cé go adas a bhíse like ní ro sé beá so bhí sacu cé go adas a mé an Claire so fé sacu cé nuair le dhéanú but still bhí se má crazy
leisceil ar brí go
leisceil ar bhí absolutely
see he was a kid a bhí on time. I'll count down with the nacht of clogs above.
I really like Mata scale be I think if you Ellen is to take let the hawker scaling mar Harla and Rod Karen that it probably Ella Harter and cheer because Shanae and Rod is Granmore Agus is Gail a hold of in my heel it's like well ni higgling Cartan iad ag daoibh sure blianúir
Bud cean go bhí.
Ceú ribh sure níana si for ví a deir bhí grand.
Ní nó siad.
So James a ggéalaonn sin ggóta sa ceú chun tasaí áine a gcónaíis mar eagraing san countdown an sin. So tá se actually ten chláir se trat mai lí, so tá actually hína chlog sa tróna agus inis.
Yeah, I'm schooling head, so stay ahead. Yeah. No, to be honest, I really Zachar going to make like a bob like hard daoibh sa lá and then.
You did a beaker brewer.
Tá society.
In society. This is
government. Come on, adding those going to pubs to the fucking doing the sheets. Fuck's sake. Comes to the thing.
Níl tusa ach dhéanú de fáirt den phobal. Sinna rud amháin bhí tusa dhéanú sin fáilhhain grú.
But there's an target ash isteach san economy. So
That's a genuine dulgate the tier.
yeah.
The genuine conveyor jiggle at the end of the could you?
Yeah, the got a bit of our Uchtran like so, come on already show
Mar Jaron the Sraith is not all superheroes wear capes.
Yeah, exactly. They just drink pints. Or in the new year with the new diet, got to was that a couple of vodka ad bit.
Oh yeah, ta.
Lamb.
Jimmerta dry January gal.
Well well like you rush it fair. Nisha Tosig the 10th of January.
Huh?
Yeah, law Holman's Macha December. So 10th of January. So 10 days of isolation. Law Nullig. So just 10th of January.
Well, Tussara Navro Kana Awan Ugat Sajay Lashin Ugs two Fain Ainru.
Oh yeah, near check that. Plus. My birthday on the 9th, so come on, like.
Okay, but so a Gillian sin mar sin that Roger Gold is a toss away jay la níos molle. I made this a creaking or in jail la the me fiara. No, I want to creaking.
It's not dry January, February, but I know. Need to know again.
Joki Higgin Jehulan is the Jerry James Asherlock ni few tosunish.
Yeah.
Busy in the Urkin busy in the January in the 10th.
Yeah. No, hoglat anyway, me fiara, and he slew Lenta in me fiara.
True.
You like car acting.
I think that Valentine's Day got to chocolate take him out. My sad is lonely.
I guess and Butchel Fiend fast the National Jarmwood.
Yeah, exactly. Needing that dry February and then he is.
Oh no. Well, no, you never know. Sure, better a couple of shafting looking to fall, better bay data with the Nishlahai, me fiara.
Where Tosu are in the
DMs and ish.
Yeah, na DMs the reach nish go Shrahour Tosu again.
Yeah. The hopes ship should warn his eyes no hopes.
Oh, cause again.
But Majinga more no wingman because wingwomen is fair if you would James. Just sweet or maid. The maid Moran is like, oh James that's the chancellor. Oh Holomag Gosha. Holomag Glorsiga Goni because oh gallant. Urkamer in YouTube ahan shachting ahawang lahai James.
And chuig and chuiger arcader argana luci.
Agus tamaj inta broadel astu. Gur mila maiga suck the dita gurkashar YouTube.
Fan Club James. Gur my good.
Yeah, she probably my word can like so. That brings it down to 4.
Okay, so yeah, so then
yeah.
Because sin mó wahar agus wahar Áine sin.
Well, you shouldn't was contention.
Oh yeah. No bay no bay bet chance so good never now so good Tarline again couple of shocking.
Yeah, so rá go do prediction bháin na go méad go gasing na duna cíns I fi dó. Well, tá sé gluach bullshit.
Bhí dúilta, ní is go déar le.
Dús mar I'm saying negative,
Mar
positive.
Hugh an tús. Fan dearfa. Bhí dearfa.
Fáintiúil ná ahrú.
Fan dúiltoch agus test
Tá man praseo dhéanú sin den dearma there.
Tá síl millte na darla aine, ní dar lumsa na le James. Tá mis agus James ínta sásta agus ínta dearfa. Ach aine famously an ban is dúilta sa réaltacht. Just urcarí, like scary.
Ní sa réaltacht go leiscéil.
Oh, she should have won.
tún ban is túach tí mugan goilach, so sin ní smú area.
Yeah, what you spoke.
I'm going to fáil onsínis ó bhirt an ghiltacht.
Aine bhí cuca seogan nar ní muid alba seo dhéanú leat, so bhí áing é tuairrás, caiimiid é
teachta mola harmonis.
Clás bhí de isolation eng, so bhí was actually cuiimar go leor valley chun Magaswood.
James is screw nótaí síos.
One second, you're my notebook and Sean. Like so. Ted the Grug Jazz. Oh, fact chunking me cart. Sorry, Sean. Note to me cart. Bit more ration chat that you can. Yeah, bim.
Frauds and couldn't chlog stupid up the banner. Can even banner taggy.
She'll go A there for an old can and got you.
The tribesmen. Yeah.
Can't say off the tribes.
Oh, yeah, need to show Gaibu. Need to keep him a to back. Just keep him. It's a one-way street.
Even Nanam's comebacks are being well.
No need. So please.
You're my she James. Hey, Áine, it's a long way to Tipperary. Marial, Napoli dingy be Gary Dollinchin. Haha, gotcha.
Come on.
Hey, you mean in the goose at Shannon Airport? You smooth.
Oh no! I'm so insulted.
We can't.
We can't go James agus Hugh imagu faoi airport na Seanna agus an size den airport I go na mara agus in nuangáil. Nis ní me imagu faoi airport go na mar go se galanta agus seomar is seomar amháin le hetlan be bhí aháin agus ar an dearch mar cin.
Well, mean Etsy go O'Shannon because he oring? I don't think so. Boom. Mic drop.
Gudín Spawn agus gudín idal.
Get on traveller. The COVID on you. Get your head out of here.
Get an abája ó dúlin gudí Hill an Aaron. Gudí cé a bheith a ball ar Etlan gudí Hill an Aaron.
The rich and famous.
Yeah.
Virginia.
Yeah. We just sponsored going off on that play.
And
then very good doing as oring. Yeah.
Tan Spain agus in Portugal inta jazz ach an bhfuil Inishman acu ní cheapam. So
I don't think so, girl.
Strike one. Hey. Agus má airford in tá ridíhag agus ag héglam sin a hasnú or héglam sin bhfuil tú a Harbí. Ach change chuig Nalban car, you know.
Similar bhfuil nasc crackáilte idir dúnaáil agus an Alban sprála bh chéile. Celtic.
Tá is díar mar an ggéanna le. Tá písa don talú so Jira nachis an airfort sin carfan tá písa don talú sin is Park Celtic Athbhliain. Like glachan siad like písa don talú ó Dunanáil agus current today is a fair Celtic Park.
Oh my God.
Agus ring
basically tá an Donegal embassy is Celtic Park.
Basically. Tá Brendan Rodgers more an honorary Donegal man agus Henrik Larsson agus
Brendan Rodgers imi Hugh.
Sorry, but sin prediction I fi dog.
As you do near the hinna clue the
Brendan Rodgers said chart the rash.
Agus sin an segue is fior. Good segment huh? Woo.
You shouldn't. Tá bhchas a Paul Blart and Charles the segues tá just So bhí muidir cant an tam journal if fi hín an nairí if you will fi muidir cant nairí faoi our good New Year's resolutions is cad fi muidir gairí dhéanú amneanna sin na spraccan a bhíogging sin na ruúin na bhíogging ach níor lormuid faoi cad a cheapanmuid a bhfuil chun tarlú if fi dá cos ne sam bhhacha se bhí listin sin ag New York Times agus ring siad like na predictions is massa a bhí genta fi hín agus bhí a tanis de líomh raggur mar ibre hín Máidir marall goúir te goró go méid COVID hart fi hín ar fi ribtear na bliana obviously bhí se míart agus na sinúir to New York Times gro sin prediction is massa a bhí genta is a dón imneanna. So bhí mis muitiú beidir bé ding níos fearr, beidir déanana ding job níos fearr na polytóirí ar cad cheap mu tu an tarlú in fi dá. So James, cad ceapan tú bhfuil chun tarlú fi dá bhfuil a hot take le cin rud a tu chun tarlú. Gapan go méid go fáil faoi as COVID mé go fáil sí na sríantí.
Hopefully not, but níos am. Depressing like, but hopefully be like prediction of one, the public is good each getting 2 eggs a saoire.
Woo!
2 egg PM as in Manly.
So caiidir se ag an níolthgur mágin no cos ní dhéanann si alcohol sin hí ag na be sin é so uair good.
A horn and the peer licenses, so matter the gargan. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Bimis like dul hiag na Alanis le hain na intí má.
I don't know, cin prediction chum.
Cé capú tú chun in Ireland a bhaint gus chu mai agad sin is.
Well, definitely not Mayo.
Arish.
Tyrone. Oh, well, Jerry this is shit.
No.
On your hin.
I think maybe the most surprised Belgradation ran on. Mish got to go bold.
Bold.
We're going to Kirka.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Out of the blue.
Out of the blue. Good, yeah.
More like out of the red.
Oh. As Kay him tosa a wuhi Hugh.
Oh, didn't know. Easy. 100%. Athbhliain. Shimmer protection Athbhliain.
As Madger lesson amaniacht kaimid sin a vask mai. Arki would cheer shot in a crave na hair agus iglin ra. Yeah.
But this is just Gary Tipper red nach well.
Mena Gary Tipper.
Yeah, come the chlog Hugh.
Or clone flower. Yeah, I guess actually, yeah.
Tipper Darren.
Just because the gaffle tip, famously.
Jim Gennard and COVID and Damashig and my Damish is not charma.
Yeah, some Jason the country my yeah, my
heard on Lenár.
Oh, okay.
No surprise.
Michigan Kilkenny.
Tá Gary chun chlára ach tá chun limna harach mai.
Okay.
Comógiocht. Got it.
Sílam go Hugh just go seo ro faran do. Fair ó chun dé nachfuil is go cén get den common number.
The scale bhhain amani atagam, right? So bhí cinna much courage agus bhí sé ar scála garci, so bhí sé husan den ná agus sin bhogad teile go garci agus bhí sé gimmert amani artí sin leith tomol agus in sin bhíar bogú rás le haid like an air test no so like bhí sé hí sin le like couple blian agus hánig se rás agus hashtag gimmert se clubéis agus dúirt Emery'n piece of amani artí bhí mar sin club trá hí sa garci agus fuimiidir í má agus bhí se like cookish ní hánig se nóhála hannig much nóhála sí hína má agus mu síon sin like margin in the sin bhí sé sin absolutely hanging agus for se léach agus bhí just like yeah calcular right just má tún sin I searched she's a phone she's like oh the fucking county training go more and le ha amani just because we just ví dingy as dun an agro lad awen a bhí cai ag gimmer to garci agus we should like well because are in firm Sinna rud amháin bhí her. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Hurley bat. Sinúir gléan mochail cearcha sa dúsgurt. Hurley bat or hurling stick.
Oh my god. Yeah. No, níl se ráhhaid. Níl se ráhhaid. So, yeah, bhí sin absolút gas agam sa le haimmáíad. Ceirpí na mar cad a capan tú bhí surprise all-war leis an bhí im líana.
Bhí siad ionca.
Bhí sin áte.
As bhí muid le gán.
Oh, well.
Neuro James on.
Yeah, thanks for joining Éist.
Run away, German.
Yeah.
And you're the this is scary to get
on. Second on, run by German.
Tá má go bold at Éist.
Oh, okay.
Bold. Tá má yoga áidir with an mena agus an amrá on.
Oh. But you're really jazz actually. Or she had something much relevant a curse.
Yeah, well, yeah. What's really good? So long nach the fit I come on.
Tá
mar miserable Galway man at that so.
Tá mise chun é chuneal sáhailte agus an bhí aráéis mar gro siad cóhínta sin an airí.
Bhí storáte. Bhís an bailile clear it's just to my guy vague contra and also unrica to be honest. Like we should like Shay were in a row like we shock on the way solar boy and V so just right back Irish just the way life goes.
No come was a prediction just because in the Mount Hosha to fear good get the captain so
yeah I was either her Paddy Power faster which I guess just much came the odds of tugging look at you well predictions bhí agus aine le haid sé chun tarlúna a bhí dá bhfuil ein hot takes na ein major changes ag chat ag an dóis ag an am líana.
Waci sibh se an bhainse agus bhí si abalta rá gro panjé me tarlú gro se techt cúpla bliain ó hin. Tá siise dé chat an bhas rá cúpla cean eile chat an bblion seog. Agus bhí si ceart faoi cúpla rud sa cúpla blion dearna, so tá agran dóin ar handa na gúil panjé me le tarlú.
You predict she COVID
though.
You predict she COVID?
Dúirtí mac sinnas dáin de agus go bhhaigh se ré le go leor an daonra agus
John rud dó tá leoran agus I think was a fáisi a Athbhliain ó bhí like an chuigú Éist whatever like so really sean agus you're almost a faoi like couple of shocking hun but genital predictions a hand of Liam but it's going to just genital like the meals predictions agus like hopefully like Tylee and couple can it's like the kind of wang was like oh they blian all Kanye West or like whatever no like they lanu a Kintying turn bunch in this Pitch Perfect not Anna Kendrick but Rebel Wilson she's like they lanu ag Anna Wilson or Rebel Wilson so I think just by Yana to a land predictions then Kai can away neck chart fear so
she don't know tan van like na hochtadí agus Cáir hí go go sí sortar nó neo ní si genú seo le bheith cool nó right landúir eile ar Instagram.
Ní sí san hochtadí tá si dead.
Ní le du bhí sochtadí bheith beag James.
No, tá si bossí le tá si bossí ó 96.
Well.
Seo den eile mar go dtíir
criú ar ceán tá chuoch an prediction seo. Faoin virus is Serbia bhí faoi ice.
Seans go bhíon den chéine beidir nucht brega.
No tá sí seo gan.
Fake news. Bhí mé victim de fake news.
Oh no, ring sin the prediction seo like predict she 9/11 so if sin chuig bliana tar éis boss lethe so like yeah predict she rings already but yeah tá si ní si beáin
ar predict she kid na bretha a chun an lotto bhuain sin mar go se go fáil like din like seachtainí like cé a fiadá agus níl se buiting go bí sin aici because Belgian jazz I would provide them said €9 million of the hall.
Action jazz.
Shimmer prediction that Liana to measure on the lottery a hinch.
Smile and an dearcú seo agad tá tú lána
manifest
agus
manifesting
sin íolar a handanna.
and
Yeah,
then
got a 50-50 on.
yeah Sean prediction right honna lotto wound agus an sin tá ar an bhela hiag an príomhafig tá car chun mé a bhfuil agus ná tan Lewis chun mé bhfuil and ní bhí mé déhhaú and then ghlaci dinge ma ticket agus be arm gal ar wild goose chase le eilrás agus Jenny should scan an amachas as curry should an anim national treasurer
Luckily it's Mr. Shooting.
yeah shot the starring role James Sean breakout role of Elgitson ish more
and then us as a man adige sin chun Ryan Turbity chun the job agus bribe an RT they on job person so it's not more prediction.
Will tú chun blackmail all yennu or RTE
my brother go leor suits fi láir so I think we're man an blackmail in
Tá tú ní adháil níis ar an tafaide. Well tú is smuitiú ar Dearach ar l'RTE agus sell of glachu.
Go RTE is a cover up.
Oh.
Yeah. I actually got that job Graham Norton.
Físigama, yeah. Físigama. There are the budget fin hain a curma agus what do you call it? Prediction elements actually. Agus visha can the ring with prediction actually just riven knowledge agus ni chapam gur hanik shafir so the honey glaku rash and fi da anywhere well engaged fi da tashai tarlu be flaine earn ver rib jar them liaden
Tascom tasha Tá tóg mé fao dear cé fá goil seo cotáach le tíise. Tá siú se just $1 an leis Tá siú gí Tá siú gí dé out Tá James is cí bú le chalíní Tá Hugh just gí dosa agus an craic bheith agus an microphone a ghlacu stand-up piano. Tá gom te gom go $8 ein seo.
Well look like what did get from our wing woman ma come on you just give me a solid like you
Jenny made bitch so
yeah well comes around like killing a dose but fresh and like need to non COVID all like bunch of should I do it
engine yeah
man will curry COVID English try to stra taking COVID guitars because how you like Cully-bug and he's all set they're like you turn this to sorry COVID not that I think you've had enough I think you've had enough
just by Mrs. Hugh guitars remember us.
Can I chat the rash? A booster Robinson-ish, so let me laugh to
boost right off.
Yeah, boost to fuck.
Oh no, it's the pelican variant.
No. You know, I have to be more Áine in the Asian. If you just go hard, yeah, she would go like cover her. Back. No. Oh no. But I think what anyway the guy Marjan should take the hit. Because the guy and Bosch good hopefully gone well because committee guy coach for Yogan pretty soon. Just ken go the mayor Janta good agus go and Greg Janta good high and puck there agus Sean Roddy Dolma of the Molly May agus Tommy Hall and New Era so Sean Roddy Dolma behind you like the mayor Janta I was like yeah.
As will she'd gelta?
No, yeah, so yeah. No. But Dolma line really so my active mission am much anga Janta agus Michelle in New York.
Roger táhachtta an sin Hugh.
Alliance to really táhachta image guy like caught out want my gurker Instagram agus facum thing is na anga Janta but just like pasta just want pasta.
Nuirt a Hugh gelta ní hé do chalín a bheith chuir de pics níos leis in airde leis an Fáine is Hugh bheith manicure Fáilte Hugh is chur lá dro an camera.
Ben na acrylics arms it be Michelle set.
Reinstone a chud landtóirí like.
Yeah. Bei discount code link bí a gairdal ag tropical papagal in the A.
20% off. Hugh loves nails.
Well, predictions be agus doing you, James. Like, well, can it be agus a gap into like so predict on my shig will Áine kind of a galter of Jared Bliana will a cap to would be contarla do so not Áine.
It's funny. I think what Áine go would invite all a coach Tila so was on cars left beat all. You think on one.
Yeah.
Prediction man then sour bitter.
Yeah.
You know, hacker summer. Agus.
Be me graiche sílam.
Níl tú hiling just hig chat and just so long as go a chahan sin agus go courage and sin by James Press.
Oh yeah, doesn't go to have so you know.
That's good call ma ergnaf.
Oh yeah, I need more not
Bully James the dars committed the ligin stahe.
Yeah.
Go go be seo Arsenal Áine ag like slab more the Dutch gold again so like be seo. Arsenal Áine just scary.
Prediction actually ever go on you. Shocker that she got that gruig la arodist.
Oh, okay. Ken that though. Ken that.
Me sweet you a mech rua a runachtu sort rua darha, but she Nilis come main able to pulling it off so.
Better.
That's my great teach mahlish and film so camera digging
Agus all you got about nominated le Parsa ook na bliana again echtes.
Well, it's spoiler on prediction, Jen.
You got about
I mean, he looked good, she.
Yeah, you may all me smoke.
Maybe you could have taken echtes.
Yeah.
Oh, shit can jazz prediction jazz. Parloi Achtas na sauna in Lena.
May should just súil sin just prediction.
Yeah. Go Hugh. Prediction. Dinner to 3 stand-up comedy gig in
Oh, ever exacter. Okay, right.
Yeah. Prediction ela the Hugh. Chucky sé sús le merch or fucking and brand the gotcha. Bei bum bags again, bei speckley grain again.
The Koshkini are coming. I'm telling you.
Just please now Abram with James Boston or
Bisha do or
oh no, just use as frauds at Derry girls. James is such a fucking dick. So more prediction romhainn ní má go brand ein episode is gebrochen Derry girls me all brand the head episode agus tan just holle uur chasen radini ran the Derry girls and shit. James is such a fucking dick agus dan ceart a cuscati
Má hí mí McTarlú fucking lang on Instagram.
Predictions le James Bay Coniga le Levantin sin hot take fast te seán bun in chart a bhuaint bun or in rudigat yeah so in Gajay Badger in I don't know synchronized swimming or rudigat I don't know
Jarmader and tag rugbies and stuff.
Tag, no,
swimming.
Not Pal Gale on really. No, it's gonna be really.
No, Nazi rules. No, Rud a bit. Just synchronized swimming.
Rud go home under full. Agus in true prediction talking to Lie James. No, go Will Shay, Hun. Oh, flick to my camera. Said Bristonish. Will. Should be able to make 5 question.
My job to echo.
Yeah,
the rocha.
The rocha, yeah.
Cannot start. It cannot start with you.
Jeez. You were real 5 technical logs I had it.
What the hell?
We can't put a prediction on home.
1 second. Please select the video camera and settings. Oh, look, you should go over there. Do you know what? Bishop Grand just Jenny would taking a anime shot. Hi and Jerry. Sorry, just me.
Grand. It's not like an argument in a video.
Yeah. Yeah, Mark fucking. I don't think so. Be grand. Agus in trio predictions of Lahai James no go will much like agus Áine go much con karaoke anu imniana lechella.
Overall sin
predictions of them.
Yeah, 100%.
Cén óra an íon active.
Jenny Mishig is James Ebony and Ivory last Stevie Wonder agus Paul McCartney.
Funny enough, I brought him. We must actually cream him with Roy Godoy blonde. So what was that? Yeah. I'll come around more go-to karaoke behind. Definitely. Westlife when you look like that.
Oh yeah. Sin sort classic of the leor daoine spráil an ceantin.
Yeah, ní daoine rendition chumá ní mise.
No, ní fiú Westlife. Ní any Westlife went it.
Canada, Ronan Keating, the smile on your face.
First, let you know that you need
me. That's quite really concentrated and shown.
Can Arna to say what the casting to general mission like you know or
Sheila more they can Beiger will take that. It's about the shine, Sheila.
Take a shine to that.
Can go list a gahan.
Yeah.
Éist Áine in Loveland Sasnai. Good to a BBC.
Shin Roches Olor. Oh my god. Tá mostly him. I do an Eagrán omlan seo generacht maslu. A chaú imró agus sinna ceanna massa James.
Yeah.
Prediction name bli nu so mé Áine den an phodchraoladh look at barrel.
Foster Rashig the chancellor.
Predictions an líon seo bé James buinte ón phodchraoladh seo béir triú ball the grúpa na seachtainí I'll béir joker I'm too.
Predictions on pléann I think I much stop la chancellor actually. Zinger. Oh my god. Well, Capam Gurbe Shin A Lahai and Eagrán shot when the Viella Ugly Flake or Mila Moigav as a rashling Lahai Sraith a daw, which is kind of crazy. Go which kind of crazy. Go which and on Shaw Yannicker Mila Moigav as of the Gayshart and Hammer Fod, Mativ Guy, which Amshu or the man Hushelte. Temperature Instagram ag na Seansálaithe or Twitter ag na Seansálaithe temperature YouTube ag na Seansálaithe is féidir or an fish gáanta seo leis na daoine gáanta seo tá muid you know muid Harvard freisiú deag daoine gurchar YouTube in so we'll see how just much cin dá change but the guy Áine amsú ar Instagram tá sí mór Áine Weir agus ar Twitter foster ag Áine Weir. But the guy James at Amsterdam or Twitter is Instagram, so he's more flairtach. Agus Misha or Instagram a Hugh car here or Twitter a Hugh car here. Agus I don't know or Bebo egg I don't know.
Car Hugh here.
Yeah, car do you know so slightly different. Well, ein rodella gaimage a wrestler change agus for solar change rascas gin and daily grind where Jared should.
No, ceapan go chuir clú daing.
Deadly.
We wash it.
Yeah. Say oh yeah, blianar fi wash it. Agus so go mé fi dáchráte mai agah agus fásta so go mé sibh géisiart linn agus sibh ag dul réid leis an blian mar go bhúing libh a hanna the seachtainí forever. Good job. Could you knowledge sugar and then it's like yeah, clock much per show. No, could be your much guy got her son holiday. Better Shancy the Shancy Hig Tenerife. Oh my god, sorry Shin.
Shin prediction just when you're being
prediction really
Seachtainí global.
Yeah. Alright, well Slán libh agus gurmí mai of agus go tan libh Arish and seachtainí sugar. Slán libh.